further and see how this chatbot can be created, I'll show you how this chatbot is going to work. So let's say someone says, hi, I want to install solar for my home. I have sent this message and within seconds and in real time I am going to get a reply using this AI chatbot which I have already created. It is saying to recommend the right solar system for your home. Please share the details. Alright, so let's share the details right over here. So let's say for the monthly electricity bill, I'm going to enter 5,000. For the city, I'm going to enter it as Bhopal. And now it is asking me for the roof type. So for that, I'm going to enter metal. Now it is asking me for the roof ownership. So for that, I'm going to enter it as owned right over here. Now let's move on further. It is saying, do you need power package during outages? So for that, I'm going to keep it as yes, and I'm going to send this. Once I send this, within seconds and in real time, I am going to get a reply once again. So let's wait for a few seconds and you are going to see, according to the details which I am going to share, it is going to recommend me the right solar system for my home. So it is recommending me this solar size, which is 5 kilowatts. You can see the battery and the savings, and also it is asking for the reference, and also it is sharing me all the details. Once again, it is saying, if you want, I can also book a free consultation. All right, so let's book a free consultation. So I'm just going to type book free consultation and send this message right over here, and within seconds and in real time, once again, it is going to reply me. It is going to ask me to share my phone number, name and the preferred time, and also the photo of the latest electricity bill. So yes, this is the amazing AI chatbot which we're going to create in today's video. And if you also want to create this amazing AI chatbot who is going to talk to all your leads and customers, then watch this tutorial till the end. First of all, you must be wondering how this AI chatbot is so accurate, because I've created a knowledge base, and using this knowledge base, only this AI chatbot is answering me. So let's say I am going to ask one FAQs, what happens on cloudy days. So let's say I am going to ask this FAQs, and the answer to this question is generation reduces but do not stop. So let's see, and it is saying generation reduces but does not stop. So yes, you can see it is sharing the exact answers. So yes, this is the reason of creating this knowledge base which I have already done. So if you also want to create this amazing AI chatbot for your own business, then watch this tutorial till the end and follow me to create your own. So to do this, you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. After you open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, in the top right corner, you're going to see the option of this sign up for free. So if you're a new user, click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. 100 of credits free means that you can try this AI chatbot for free today, and yes, it can reply to 100 of messages for free. So now we're on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and this is the most important window. All right, why? Because first of all, you have to make sure that you've added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow? For that, you have to click on this add WhatsApp number button. If you want a video tutorial dedicated towards how to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. After you add your WhatsApp number, what you have to do is from the left hand of the side, go on this AI assistant feature. Once you're on this AI assistant, what you have to do is click on this add AI assistant. Now it is asking for the assistant name. So let's say I am going to name this assistant as Sunwise Solar Consultants and click on this add AI assistant button. Once I'm going to click on this add AI assistant button, a window something like this will appear in front of us. Now we have to create this AI assistant. So in order to create this AI assistant, first of all, it is asking me to select the instruction type. So if you want to give your own custom prompt, you can click on this custom prompt and give the custom prompt right over here. Further, if you want some pre-built examples, we have that for you: AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent, and so on. So you can use any one of these pre-built examples too. Once you select any one of these pre-built examples, the instructions will be added automatically. You do not have to change it. If you want, you can definitely add or delete some points, but if you want, you can definitely keep it as exactly the same and move on further. The next it is asking for is temperature. So over here you can set how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. The next which we have is this AI to use, so select it as Open AI. For the model, choose the model according to your own choice. Now it is asking for the API key. So if you have already added the API key once and created the AI agent once, then it will automatically be saved right over here. But if not, what you have to do is you have to open your OpenAI API key page. After you open this page, first of all, make sure that you've signed in, and after that you have to click on this Create New Secret Key button. Enter your key name, select the project, and click on this Create Secret Key. Your key will be created. Just copy the key and paste it in your workflow. Click on this Connect, and your AI assistant API key will be added successfully. Now it is asking me for the assistant settings, so you can do the settings right from here. At the header message, at the footer message, you can add maximum 60 characters. Alright, the next which we have is the stop keywords. So over here you can enter the keywords that the user can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords, and in order to add the keywords, just type the keyword and then press enter like this. The next which we have is this retry attempts. So over here you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to reply. So I'm going to keep it as 2 right over here. You can enter it according to your own choice. The valid range is between 1 to 10. The next which we have is this fallback message. So over here you have to enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So what you can do is you can add your support email address in this message, so that if a user has some emergency, they can contact you on Gmail if the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. Now we have completed this AI instructions. Now let's move towards this knowledge source. So as I told you in the starting of this video, I have created this knowledge base using which this AI assistant is replying me so accurately. So how can you create this knowledge base? So what you have to do is, first of all, enter the knowledge unique to your business in a Google Doc about the company, your mission, services you offer, and the most important thing is cost and saving estimations, because using this only it is going to recommend the solar panel for your customer. Alright, or you can see your lead. Also mention about the government subsidy assistance, vendor and installation coordination, and the rest of the details over here. After you enter all of these details right over here, what you have to do is you have to go to this file, download, and download this in TXT or PDF format. It totally depends upon you. Both the formats are supported, but I'll suggest you go for TXT, because for PDF no page limit for text PDFs, but if you go for PDFs which has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So I'll suggest you go for TXT. Just click on this choose a file button, and you have to download this in TXT and then upload it like this. Once this is uploaded, over here you're going to see the date, the vector ID, and this is the proof of a successful uploading. After uploading the knowledge source, go towards this assistant interface. Now it is asking me for the display heading name. So over here I'm going to enter the name of the company, which is your brand name. So let's enter it right over here, and once I'm going to edit it on the left hand of the side, it will be automatically edited on the right hand of the side. Now it is asking me for the subheadings. If you wish, you can definitely edit this to right from here. The next which we have is this initial message. So you can add up to 2 initial messages. You just have to type the initial message and then press enter to add it like this. Now it is saying display the powered by Pabbly label. So you can select you want to show this powered by Pabbly label or not. Enable or disable it right from here. The next is this footer text. So you can use this to add the disclaimer or the link to your privacy policy. Footer text will turn into the link if you add the link, otherwise it will remain as a plain text like this. The next which we have is this user first message. So over here you can enter the message which you want to be sent as the initial message from the user. I am going to keep it as here. You can customize this according to your own choice. The next is the styling. You can style your AI chatbot. You can change the theme, the shape, the background colors, and the font colors too, also the images. It totally depends upon you how you wish its AI chatbot to look like. After you style this AI chatbot is ready, you just have to switch on this toggle button and click on this save AI assistant. Now this AI assistant is saved. Now we have created this, but how can we use it for a business? For that you have to go to this embedded, and you're going to find the script. Just copy and paste this script on your website, and this AI chatbot will be added on your website. Then whenever someone visits your website, they're going to see this chat with us button. Once they click on this chat with us button and then start chat button, they will be redirected towards WhatsApp, and this initial message which you selected will be sent from them towards you on WhatsApp, and then further the AI assistant is going to take over the chat. And further, if you want to assign this AI assistant to contacts, then you have to go towards the inbox section from the left end of the site, and over here you can simply select the contact to whom you want to assign this AI assistant. You just have to select the contact. Let's say I want to assign this AI assistant to this contact, so I'm going to go towards the choose AI assistant and assign this AI assistant like this. Now whenever this contact is going to message me, this AI assistant is only going to reply. Further, let's just close this first right over here, and let's move on further. Let's say if I want to assign this AI assistant to all the contacts at once, then what you have to do is from the left end of the side, go on this settings and then inbox settings. Once you are on this inbox settings, you have to scroll and you're going to see the option of enable AI auto replies. So what you have to do is just switch it on, select the contact list and the AI assistant who is going to reply to all the contacts in this list, and click on this save. Then whenever any contact from this list is going to message, this AI assistant is going to reply. So yes, now we have successfully learned how to create this AI chatbot. So go and create this AI chatbot for your own solar consultants, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow, and while trying, if you have any questions, you can directly drop them in the comments section below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.